The shield assembly, or guard, attaches to your trimmer shaft, near the trimmer head. The shield both helps prevent grass clippings and debris from being thrown by the trimmer and cuts the trimmer line to the proper length. A broken or missing shield should always be replaced, both for safety and for optimum engine performance. If the trimmer line is run long, it will slow the engine's RPMs. This causes the engine to run cool, which will cause carbon and tar deposits to form the combustion chamber and the exhaust. Replacing the shield assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old shield assembly from the trimmer. The shield is secured to the trimmer shaft with a wing nut and bolt. I'll go ahead and remove the wing nut. Now I can remove the bolt, and I'll pull the shield away from the trimmer shaft. Now I can install the new shield assembly. First, I'll remove the wing nut and bolt that come on the assembly. I'll snap the shield over the end of the trimmer shaft. I'll insert the bolt through the shield and secure it with the washer and the wing nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new shield assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.